Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday. I'm going up to find the strays and the puppies this morning. See what they're into. They took off earlier, so now I'm going to find out where they're at now so I can feed them. Walking a quarter mile to the neighbor's house to see if they're up here. Which 9 times out of 10, that's probably where they went to. A little chilly out here this morning. I know the puppies are probably out looking for me this morning. So I'm gonna go up here and see where they at. I got them some hot food to warm them up a little bit, since it turned out cold today. Turned out right chilly. Which cold ain't the damn word for it. It's freezing out here today. I want to thank everybody who came to my live this morning. I really appreciate it, guys. And I appreciate everybody who followed. I hear them. Puppy! Yeah, we found them, guys. It was up here at the neighbors. Y'all ready to eat? Junior. Come on. I got y'all some warm food. I got all the babies some warm food. Come on, Blondie. Come on, Junior. Come on, Blondie. Frank and Miss Buster, they're waiting on me. They know I got them some warm food. Where you at, Blondie? Look, Junior's happy to see his daddy. Look at him. And Miss Buster. Y'all ready to eat? Frank, be nice to the baby boy. Y'all be nice. Come on, Junior. Come on, Blondie. I see you, mama girl. Yeah, guys, they all do pretty good without a leash. They usually don't take off too far on me. Frank, this morning, he got that sideways run. This morning, I got him some warmed up hamburger meat. Just been heated up for all of them. Junior, you happy to see your daddy? Junior. Frank, be nice to the baby boy. Hi, Junior. Come on. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Well, Junior loves his daddy. Look at him. He really loves his daddy. That's for sure. Y'all come on. I got y'all some food. Y'all ready to eat? Junior, Blondie. Are the guys ready to eat, y'all guys? Blondie, be nice to your brother. They all wanting to play this morning. What are you doing, Junior? Come on, buddy. I got y'all some warm food. Come on, Blondie. Blondie. Miss Buster, let's go. Come on, guys. Boy, they running like crazy through the woods. Blondie right up on her mama. Come on, Frank, you get some. Come on, Junior. Come on, Blondie. I don't know why they keep bringing this deer skull into the yard. Let me get all y'all's bulbs out, Frank. There you go. Junior, Blondie. They ought to be back here in a minute. They took off in the woods. Chasing after something. Come on, Junior! Come on, Blondie! I hear them running. Let's see where they went to. Come on, Miss Buster. Yeah, guys, they took off in the woods. I got them some hamburger meat and dog food mixed together. Come on, guys! Come on, Blondie! Come on, Junior! Guys, this could be the end of this video for part 1. Y'all stay tuned for part 2 this afternoon for when they come back up to eat. Alright guys, we'll holler at y'all in a minute. Bye guys.